What's up guys, it's Adrian, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make fan videos from just a ordinary video of someone's face. So I actually created this video.
Yo guys, I just discovered this bomb track from this artist named Unseen. I want you to seriously check it out. It's unreal. It's def in my top 3 for this month.
From this video. What's up YouTube? I'm making this video just to show you what a face swap in video format actually looks like. And I discovered this really dope song from this artist named Unseen. So I used myself as an example, but you can literally do this with any video you find online that clearly shows someone's face. So basically you find a video of a random person just talking into the camera, and then you'll be able to swap out their face with someone else's face, an AI generated face, and then put an AI generated voice under the face. So it's a completely new person saying exactly what you want them to say. I'm actually gonna show you guys how to do that because that's what I did using myself as an example, but again, you can use anyone. So first thing I did was I recorded a simple video of myself talking with my face clearly visible. Now, tips on this is the better the lighting, the better the face conversion or the face swap will be. Again, you can do this on any type of video where you can clearly see someone's face, but the better the lighting, the better the quality is gonna come out at the end. So basically what I did was when I recorded my video, I realized it was too dark. So I edited a bit to bring out some of the light and some of the colors. So now once you have your video, then the next thing you have to do is you have to create an AI face. So basically you go to this site called Art Guru and you type in a prompt. So I'm just gonna type in. Now once you type in your prompt, all you have to do is click generate. Now this takes a few moments to actually generate, but when it generates, it should spit out 2 options for you. So I'm just gonna skip to where the image has generated. Okay, so this is the AI face that they generated for me that I'm gonna use to create the video. So now, once I have this, I just click download and download the face. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is you need to do face swapping. So the site I use for face swapping, which it will also be linked below, is called VidNose. So first you need to click video face swap, and then once you click video face swap, now you have to upload your photo and then upload your video. Now, once you upload your photo and video, then you click generate. Now this can take some time. So again, I'm gonna skip to the end so you can see the final edit. Okay, cool. So now it's done. And now let me press play real quick. What's up YouTube? I'm making this video just to show you what a face swap in video format actually looks like. And I discovered this really dope song from this artist named Unseen. Low key, that's kind of creepy, but if you didn't know me and know how I looked already, you can 100% think this is a real person. Okay, so now you download it, and to download it, you may have to create an account. So just create an account, it's free, and it allows you to do the face swapping. So now that we have the video with our face swapped, the next thing we need to do is we need to create a script or get the AI generated voice. So for this, I like to use the voice called Jamal. Basically, 11 labs allow you to search different voices. So I'm going to write a quick script.
Yo guys, I just discovered this bomb track from this artist named Unseen. I want you to seriously check it out. It's unreal. It's def in my top 3 for this month.
Dope. So now I'm just gonna download this. And again, 11 Labs is free. So now that you have the AI video with your face swap and now the AI voice, now we're gonna head over to Sieve, and Sieve allows you to lip swap. So first thing you need to do, you need to delete the video of Elon and also delete the audio file they have there. And then you need to upload your video as well as audio. So now that you do that, then the next thing you need to do is you need to click submit. Now, this process takes about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to come back and we're gonna see the results when it's ready. Cool, so this is the video that it ended up producing for
guys,
me.
I just discovered this bomb track from this artist named Unseen. I want you to seriously check it out. It's unreal. It's def in my top 3 for this month.
Okay, so now I download it, save it. So everything is fake now. Just assume everything you see online is completely fake. What I want to create is I want to have my AI speaking and then one of my videos playing. So I'm gonna go to my Instagram and download one of my reels. Okay, so I'm gonna download this one. All right, and now I'm just gonna go to Instagram downloader. This allows me to download the reel. Okay, so I'm gonna download, save it. Okay, so now after all that, I go over to CapCut. And CapCut is one of my favorite tools for editing videos. It's super fast and super efficient. You can do so many crazy things with it. So first I'm gonna drag in my files. And then I bring it down to the timeline. All right, bring it in. Now I'm gonna do some auto caption.
Yo guys, I just discovered this bomb track.
This is the caption. I'm gonna edit the caption a bit.
I want you to seriously check it out.
Cool, just spell my name right. Dope, and now I'm just gonna line it up, put this on the bottom.
Yo guys, I just discovered this bomb track from this artist named
Dope,
Unseen.
and I think that looks good enough. Just for an example, just to show you guys.
My top 3 for this month.
Yeah, after that, the next thing we're gonna do is, and it's gonna be the last thing, is we're going to add a TikTok comment to your video. So basically to do that, you go to tiktokcomments.com and then you literally just select here, generate female image, just type in a fake username, and now just gonna type in a question. Cool, so now I'm just gonna download this, and after I download it, yeah, okay, so now that I download it, I'm gonna bring it over back into CapCut and I'm gonna drop it here. Now I'm gonna shrink it. Ideally, you want it in the middle. If you put it too high and too low, it's gonna get cut off if you plan on running ads to it. So, yeah, this is how it looks in the middle. Yeah.
Yo guys, I just discovered this. Yo guys, I just discovered this bomb track from this artist named Unseen. I want you to seriously check it out. It's unreal. It's def in my top 3 for this month.
Yeah, and that's pretty much it. That is crazy, and that's how I made my AI video. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this video. Would you be using this system for yourself? Will you be creating your own fans? And what creative ways can you think about how to use this? And yeah, if you did find value from this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, because every single week I'm bringing you dope content to help you guys grow as an artist. So it helps my page and my channel a lot. So subscribe, give me a like, and drop a comment. And if you did enjoy this video, I'm gonna have 2 more videos pop up right here, and I will see you guys over in those videos.